Sorry guys, hindi ko na kinayang or hindi lang ako ready ngayon. Alright guys, we will run 30 kilometers or 32. Tingnan natin kung kakayanin natin. This is the longest run that we will have for our full marathon training. Samantalahin natin yung panahon habang walang ulan. LSD run tayo today. Mahalaga, we are able to reach the long distance. Sana makontrol ko yung sarili ko kasi pag hindi ko makontrol, bibilisan natin and tendency at the end, baka wala na ako energy at hindi natin ma-attain yung long distance run natin for today. Yeah, so with that, warm up muna tayo. Oh, by the way, this is day 1 of our week 9 full marathon training. Done with the warm-ups. So let's go ahead and hit the road. Let's go. Let's go. 5 kilometers, 28 minutes and 40 seconds. Every 5 kilometers, hindi siya lalagpas ng 30 minutes. Sana masustain natin. Let's go. 7.5, 43 minutes and 31 seconds. We should be able to finish 10 kilometers in an hour. Pero I think we need to rehydrate muna quickly. Let's go. Energy bar. Let's go. Sobrang dilim na. Mukhang babagsak yung malakas na ulan. Sana we should be able to finish at least 10 kilometers man lang bago umulan. Umulan na pero we should finish 10 kilometers. Konti na lang. 300 meters. Push. Sorry guys, hindi ko na kinayang or hindi lang ako ready maligo sa ulan ngayon. Tumatakbo habang umuulan. Hindi lang ako ready na madumihan yung sapatos ko. At saka yun, wala ako sa kondisyon na tumakbo na umuulan. So natapos na natin 10 kilometers. I think okay na yan. We will schedule another run, yung long run natin sa mga susunod na araw. Kailangan natin maka 32 kilometers na run. It's time to go home. 10 kilometers is still 10 kilometers. So that's it guys. That was the 10 kilometer run today. Don't forget to live, move, and inspire. Bye!